brokers blocking me for how I trade. Even last week I got blocked again.
For real?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. I get blocked like.
So what happens when you get blocked by a broker?
Oh, bro. If it was
happening, we're moving down, and I'm going to tell you why I'm going to be looking for a buy above this 30-minute candle. Now, one thing we need to understand is that why this push is happening now. Maybe there's a fundamental reasoning behind it, because if there's a fundamental reasoning behind it, this is an impulse move that's happening down. Now, what I'm going to be looking to do at this point is, now obviously we had a rejection right over here. This whole thing rejected during the London session. Now, I'm going to be waiting to see if there's a candle that breaks above this previous 30-minute candle. If we break above this previous 30-minute candle, there's a probability for price to correct 50% of this impulse move that came down. That's the only thing I'm looking at right now. I'm not going to be blindly taking buys here, anticipating price to push up. I'm going to be waiting to see if we can create some sort of a resistance. If we create resistance above this candle high, then I know there's enough range for price to continue to push up. If you're looking for sells, man, I mean, I don't know. The only sell I see is like probably below this area, 33.54, for price to maybe fill this wick or go all the way down towards 33.45. That's it. I mean, right here, this is war move. Like, what are you going to do? Nothing. So you just basically have to wait for some market structure and then see where we go from there. Take care.
Market structure. So many people get confused when it comes to market structure. But what you have to understand is that price will work in certain trends. This is a fractal movement within the market because price is fractal. So once price takes out a key level of liquidity, which in this case is our external liquidity, as learned in the previous lesson, you should be able to notice that price action is breaking market structure. That is because we have taken out a level of liquidity and we are now ready to target lower levels of liquidity. That is going to be your internal liquidity targets. So from our point of view, fractal price action will bring us to the point where we will start trending lower, targeting these areas, meaning that from a higher time frame perspective, price is doing the exact same trend, taking price in its intended direction. Now, once price has swept all of the internal liquidity areas that it wants, it will then want to carry on with its movement towards external liquidity. So from a smaller time frame perspective, what you will notice is price action beginning to break this market structure right here, giving you a bullish run to the upside, targeting that new external liquidity area. Your opportunity to get in on trades will be at these levels of retests. And you have to understand that market structure is all about understanding that price is fractal. So if you observe this market structure, you can see price swept above this level here. It then came down into this area of inefficient price action, which also swept that level